AP Bren is the first team to no longer qualify para sa playoffs in MPLPH Season 16. You know what time it is? Hands in. GG's to the Bees. Obviously not the outcome that they expected, pero medyo shaky talaga sila all throughout the season. There were moments of glory from this team na kung kailan kina-count out sila ng napakaraming tao, biglang dun sila magpe-perform. We saw that over the past week nung na-sweep nila yung Onyx PH. Nobody expected that and yet nagawa nila yon. This was a team na walang masyadong marami nag-expect na mag-iingay, but I think they impressed a lot of people enough na umabot sa punto na kailangan pa nating umabot ng Week 8 para lang malaman kung tanggal na yung isang team o hindi pa. In the case of AP Bren, they've already done a better job kesa nung Season 15. Last season, they finished with 3 wins and 11 losses compared to this season na meron silang 4 wins and 9 losses. Kahit anong mangyari, meron pa silang isang laban and that is already a win for them kasi mas napaganda nila yung record nila. But obviously, for this team, the goal is to make it to the playoffs once again. AP Bren would still be on the hunt for a resurgence pagkatapos mawala yung OG roster nila na naging Team Falcons, who by the way is also on the brink of elimination pag hindi umayon sa kanila ang kapalaran. Pero ang kinatutuwa ka naman for this season is that it's really close. Ngayon merong natanggal na isa, tomorrow might be a decider once again, and by the end of the week, malalaman natin kung sino ang nasa upper brackets and who are the final 6 teams for the playoffs.